So within these contracts, is there an opportunity for cost savings or revenue generation?
Definitely. That's often one of the big reasons why people look to automate these sort of workflows. In the world of contract lifecycle management and automating workflows, you very often want to make sure that your contracts are, apples to apples all across the board, so that you have a consistency across the entirety of your contract landscape. You want to make sure that your clauses are very similar, that you're not going to be caught by surprise by anything, and of course you want to catalog all these things, right? So in terms of cost savings, now imagine that you're buying something from another firm. There will be all kinds of clauses, warrants, and basically risk that is embedded into those contracts that has stuff like discounts will be available if payments are made at this point. So often, I may have a net 60 agreement with a client, but they're willing to give me a discount if I pay within a week of receiving the thing. Because of net present value of money, you kind of want to get your money faster. I mean, they could do something with their money prior to us, right? And in terms of revenue generation, you could be looking at ways to actually increase your revenue if you put out the contracts in certain situations. You may come up into multiples of a contract, or the company who's buying from you is reaching a scale at which they are now supposed to be in a different tier, let's say, right? And without really having a handle on all your contracts, it's hard to really guess at where everybody is and understand the reporting or the analytics and insights that does come from all these contracts. I think Deloitte or Gartner very recently said something like a good contract management solution can yield 5 to 40% more in deal value. So that's a huge statistic. Yeah, I mean, 5% is a nice amount of money, and most people in business know that if you can find 5 places where you can gain 15% in either accrual of value, so revenue generation, or cutting costs, you basically doubled your business. It's a rule of 72 kind of thing. So if you can do that a few times over, you're going to make a lot more money.